Hey guys, welcome to this new model. Here we are ready to start exploring and start using all the tools that LinkedIn provide to you and to your business in your advantage. The first step, and we are going straight to take action. We are not just talking about theories here. You already know, you're already taking this course and you know most of the social medias so far. And I'm super happy to see that you are taking the course and you are taking action. Especially remember that the best way to get the results that we want is to take action, put into practice all the strategies you learn here so you will have the results that you want. So that's why we are jumping straight to the creation of the account here on LinkedIn. The first step is to go to linkedin.com and you will see here, if you don't have an account, you can create the account here. Basically, they are asking for your name, last name, email, and password. You can click join now, and after that, you will be ready to start creating your profile here on LinkedIn. Here you see my LinkedIn profile is ready to go, and I'll make sure that by the end of this model, you have a professional profile, that your customers and people that want to connect with you, they come here, they see all the good things that you have to tell them, and they connect with you. That's the goal here. And also we are creating a page for your business, for your company. We are creating a company page here on LinkedIn with all the tools to make sure that you are using that company, that page on LinkedIn as a marketing tool, that page is helping you to get more people and to reach more customers. That's the goal here, guys. So let's start now. You already completed this with your information. I won't go through the process again. This is very simple. I'm sure you can do it. And after that, you will be redirected to your profile page. Probably you will receive an email from LinkedIn asking for confirmation to make sure that you are a real person and that you are actually creating this account. So here we are on the LinkedIn profile. You can go to linkedin.com to see your profile. And the first thing we see here is your photo. So what do you add here? People ask me, okay, should I add my logo here? Should I add my personal picture, the picture of my product? What do I need to add here? And the answer is simple. On this page, because it's your personal profile, you as a business owner, you as a member of the company, we will add your photo here, okay? Later in the model here, we will create a business page, as I promised you. And there, yes, we need to add your company logo or a photo of your product. We will do that later. So for now, let's concentrate on the picture. It's good to have here a professional picture. Try not to use selfies. I have some clients using selfies and we have meeting and I said, please, let's change that to something more professional. They were glad that we talk about that, so they updated. So enter a picture. You can upload your picture by clicking here on the image. And you see here, you have the option to, on this case, because I already have the picture, I can change, I can zoom in, zoom out, I can modify, add filters and all that good stuff. They just add the filter option here. This is brand new. So if you are, even if you are a long time here on LinkedIn, you have now the option to add filters to your picture. I will leave it original. I like it. Let's apply this. And here we see information about you. We see your name, last name, a headline. This is important to add to. Add some message here telling people about you, especially what do you like, what's a message that you want to share with them. After that, we have your current position. You can add more information here. If you don't see the position, you can click on add new position. And basically, you have the option to add title, assign this title to a company. So if you are working on your company, you can you can enter your company name here on this field. And later we will create a page and you will associate your profile with that page. Here you have the location of the company, from which day to which day are you working and all that. Probably you already know this. Let me go back here. Excellent. You have the country where you live, the zip code, the city area, the industry that you are working on. And here is the summary, and this is the one that I want to talk with you about. The summary, I recommend you to enter the summary, some message that tells people more about you personally, but also, especially if you are a business owner and if you want to promote your company, you need to add here on the summary something that is also related with your company. It's your ideal, your goal, but also the goal of the company. What's the goal of the company? In this case, for me personally, I'm adding here teaching entrepreneurs and business owners to reach customers all over the world, because that's my goal. My goal is to help you to get there, to reach people all over the world, share your message in all the countries that have internet access right now. Everybody that can be your potential customer, they need to know about you. They need to know about your company. So that's my goal. I hope you enter here your goal. And also, this is a little bit more advanced, and it's not mandatory, but it's a good idea, if possible, to add some keywords here. So if in my case, for example, I teach digital marketing, I teach social media marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, I teach online courses, I teach on Udemy. So I can add all these keywords that I'm giving you right now, like Udemy, online courses, Facebook marketing, digital marketing. I can add all these keywords here on the summary. That's another option too. It's not mandatory, but it's a good idea, okay? After that, we can save this. We can come back here later to show you how to add media and how you can make your profile more beautiful, more appealing for your visitors. For now, let's save this and let's jump to the next video where we will continue optimizing your profile to make sure it's on the best way possible. See you there.